Greetings everybody, this is Chuck. I am so excited to be talking to you about a brand new talk show that I'm going to be doing at least a couple of times a month, maybe more, and it is all about tech. That's right, the Top Tech Talk Show is going to be just whatever is cool in technology and what's happening right now in all kinds of different fields. We're going to be talking about medical tech, we're going to be talking about gadgets, AI, robotics, crypto, all kinds of blockchain applications, just really cool, fun stuff, and you get to be a part of it. Just subscribe below, click that button, and make sure that you get in on all this exciting new stuff. I will be on the radio doing some of these segments. You might hear it. We've had a couple of great promos being put out there, so if you got the time, you've got to watch this show. I'm going to do it at least twice a month for 20-30 minutes, somewhere in there, and you can take it with you on audio or you can watch it on video. We're going to have both formats available for those of you who want to subscribe. Thanks again one more time. This is Chuck for the Top Tech Talk Show.